Ciao, this is where Piani Derna. It is kind of the, not top of the mountain, but it's kind of one station of the cable car. So we hop on the cable car from the down station. It is 800 meters elevation above the sea level. From there, we hop on the cable car and then we just for 5 minutes, then we arrive 1,700 meters elevation here. Very beautiful, you see? Actually today a bit gassy and still remaining the snow. So let's explore. And it's very sleepy. Wow! Ottimo! Grazie. Fuß. We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Il sentiero naturale dei piani d'Erna, il sentiero naturale dei piani. Okay, it's enough. I'm not Italian speaker. I found the cutest house I've ever seen, this one. But I think this is not actually a house. I think it's just a garage for the Woodstock. But I'm dreaming if I live in the mountain with this kind of a cottage. You know, it is full of the nature and full of affection. Where's my... You know, because of the GoPro, one of my hand is occupied. So if I falling down, I cannot stop myself. Hop. Yeah. Whoa. Huge cliff and at the top of Jesus. Hakuna Matata. And it is the end of my trip to see the sunset with the beautiful birds, the swan, kamome. I don't know how to say in English, so yeah, it's Japanese, kamome.